Okay, so for the lesson 3, I will be discussing the selection tools, coloring tools, and the move tool. So let's start first with the selection tools. So we need to do some selections in photo editing if you want to edit a particular part of the image. For example, in this picture, I want to change the color of the leaf, this one. So I only need to select the green part. So since this is the leaf part, right? So what will happen if I don't select the area? This might affect the other part of the image. So selection is important if you only want to edit a particular part. Okay, so in Photoshop, what are the different selection tools that you can use? So we have here the The first one, yung marquee tools. So for the marquee tools, there are types of marquee tools that you can use. Same with lasso and magic wand. So let's start first with the marquee. So for the marquee tools, it says here, it is only for rectangular and circular areas only. What does it mean? So by the way, this is the tool for rectangular marquee, and this one is the elliptical marquee. So they are in one tool only. So if you want to access the elliptical marquee, you need to click this triangle. Okay? So I'll be switching to Adobe Photoshop to demonstrate the selection tool for marquee. So this is now the Adobe Photoshop. So I'll be opening an image that I want to edit. So for example, this one, the Queen of Tears.